Hello, my name is Norm Flore. I'm Manager of Agronomic Services for Nutrien Ag Solutions out of southern Alberta. And today I want to just talk to you a little bit about interpreting a soil test report, primarily from three key aspects. A number of labs do soil testing in North America, and each one sends out a report that can be a little bit different than the others, and it's important that you recognize what these differences are. One of them is what depth are we looking at? So whenever you're looking at a soil test report, one of the first things that's important to look at is what is the sample depth? Is it 0 to 6? Is it 0 to 12? Or is it something else? Because that will change how you interpret some of the results. A lot of immobile nutrients really rely on a 0 to 6 inch sample as opposed to a 0 to 12, which is often better for mobile types of nutrients. So number one is look at depth. Number two, what methodology was used for each nutrient? A good example for this would be phosphorus. In Western Canada, the preferred approach is to use a modified Kelowna. If other methodologies are used, that can change the recommendations a little bit, but a modified Kelowna on a 0 to 6 inch sample is the best predictor of a phosphate response. And the third thing to look at is what units of measure have been used. Labs will work in parts per million. Sometimes they convert to pounds per acre, sometimes they don't, and sometimes it even changes based on what nutrient. So take a look at what are the units of measure to make sure that you're interpreting those reports right. So just take a look at those three things before digging into a soil test report to any depth. Basically the depth of sampling, the methodology that was used, and lastly the units of measure that are being reported.